It's Hollywood Rick Hunter, aka RWO Entertainment again. This is part 2 of my Texas Chainsaw Massacre Blu-ray 4K DVD collection. And in this video, we're going to start the Texas Chainsaw Massacre The Next Generation Collector's Edition from Shout Factory. Unfortunately, I don't have Texas Chainsaw Massacre free Letterface. I'm trying to get it eventually. I don't have the DVD or the Blu-ray yet. I was able to eventually find a copy of this. Here's a look at the back of it. I believe it does have several special features, including the director's cut of the film. I think this is the only way you can get the director's cut, as far as I know. Here's the DVD of Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning. I do have the 2-disc version of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre remake. So unfortunately, I don't have the case to it no more. I still had the tin thing that come on the front of it. I don't know where it is right now. I'm going to show the disc of the original remake. I ain't got the book there in right now, but I do have them. And I got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3D. Which is supposed to be a direct sequel to the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre, but it erases all the sequels. A lot of people don't like this movie, but I kind of do. I do have the prequel to this film, Letterface, but I only have it on DVD. I don't really like it, so I'm not going to bother showing it.